Hello dear learners, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine at your places. Today we are going to learn the new topic in physical education. As you all know that we are going on with the 7th unit of this chapter, right? So welcome to the physical education class. Alright, physical education. This is your part 6. In this chapter, our today's topic is very important, right? And this topic not only helps you to understand things, but yeah, definitely it will help you to know that what is the effect of exercise on muscular system. First, before we start, I would have some questions. And definitely these questions are very important in terms of understanding things properly. When I am talking about muscular system, we needed to know the various physical fitness components as well as the various components of the body. So as you all know that our body is made up of cells. Okay, cell is the basic structure and function of life. The group of cells make tissue. This tissue make organ. These organs together make the organ system. As you are aware in middle classes now. And this organ system together make a human body. Right? Now in the same way, when we do exercise for the muscular system, there is a great effect on our body. In this session, we will be going to learn about what are the effects of exercise on the muscular system as well. So here, what I would like to say is that as you all know that we have different systems, like we have digestive system. After digestive system, we have respiratory system. We have cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular system. We have nervous system. We have muscular system. We have reproductive system. Sensory organs. We have some glandular system. Right? So our body is made up of various kind of body systems. There is a control and coordination between all the systems, and together it works. And then the formation, the things will be so smooth. So what I want to say here is, let's suppose that we talk about glandular system. So glandular system consists of various glands, okay, various ducts, hormonal secretion, okay, there is storage, there is secretion, and so many things. So glands, the production of hormone, that is chemical messenger and all will take place there. Next, if we talk about is digestive system. So as you all know that the food that we eat which produces energy, and whenever we take food, this food goes into our stomach. When it goes into our stomach, there is a secretion of HCl acid, in the stomach, and on that time the germs will be killed and the food become digested. And as and when it digested, what will happen? There will be the energy production in the body. Got it? So here what we got it here in this session, that respiratory system, or if you're talking about the digestive system, so digestive system is a process in which the complex component, the complex substance is converted into the center. What is the work of digestive system? The work of digestive system is to make the complex material whatever we eat, right? So the conversion of complex substance into the Simpler, but it's so simple the meaning of it, right? So digestive system consists of stomach, food pipe, intestine, and definitely it helps to what? It helps in the production of energy. Next thing if I'm going to talk is muscular system, right? So which is a very important topic and we will have to go through this. So if we talk about this muscular system, so it consists of muscles. I'm talking about this system, okay? Whenever we talk about muscular systems, these muscular systems consist of what? This muscular system consists of muscles, nerves, fibers, etc. Right? If you know that this is flexion, extension. So these are some activities which is just because of this muscular system. Next thing is I'm going to talk about respiratory system. So whenever I tell you about respiratory system, I want your students to take a deep breath. Just keep your eyes straight and whatever you are doing. I know that sometimes you guys will sit on a place and then you see the video. Sometimes you will lay down and play. So whatever in which position you are, you just take a deep breath. When you take a deep breath, you get to know that we have a windpipe, we have lungs, we have alveoli, we have alveolus, bronchi, or bronchus, so many things. So when this oxygen goes inside the lungs, that system is called a respiratory system. What happened there? There is exchange of gases from the lungs. The oxygen will mix to the blood, and the carbon dioxide will come out, right? And hence it helps in the production of energy too. If we talk about the cardiovascular system, it is basically related to the heart. It is related to the heart. So cardiovascular system is basically related to the heart, being the pumping of blood. So if we talk about cardiac output, so the blood pump in a minute it is cardiac output, right? So cardiovascular system, so it's another system. Nervous system, which are nerves, nerve fibers, right? Muscular system we know about, ligament, tendon. If we talk about skeleton system also, we have mentioned. Skeletal system, right? So skeletal system basically consists of our bones, ligaments, tendons, etc. Right? In the same way, if you talk about sensory organs, so we have 5 sense organs as you all aware, I think. Eye, nose, skin, tongue, got it? Ears. These systems which gives the sensation. Like eyes give us a sensation of vision, sensation of sight. Skin gives us sensation of feeling. Tongue gives us sensation of taste. Okay, ears give us sensation of hearing, a voice or something kind of, right? Nose give us sensation of smell. In this way, this all systems give us some kind of sensation, some kind of vision through which we can understand things. That's why we call it sense organ, because they give a sense to understand things. Reproductive system, so this reproductive system basically in male there is a, the system consists of testes, penis, and there's a lot of hormone secretion. If we talk about male, so there's a testosterone, the hormone which is responsible for the male germ cell. If we talk about female, so it's ovary and the production of egg, and the name of germ cell is estrogen, is progesterone also. So here in this all system, what we get to know that the various systems are definitely doing work. And if we talk about physical education, so here what we need to understand, we need to understand that all the organs work together. Then and then what will happen? When these organs work together, we'll get to know about our body. And here we need to understand in physical education that we will have to work for each and every organ system. If we work for all the organ systems, definitely there will not at all be a problem, right? Let's say if I'm talking about the physiological systems like skeletal system. So skeletal system basically of bones, joints, cartilage, which provide the framework to the body, and it also protect the delicate organs. If I'm going to talk about the muscular system, which system? If I'm going to tell about the muscular system, so muscular system basically consists of tendons, some ligaments. It provides the body, the sense of contraction and relaxation. Let's suppose students, if I'm standing in front of you, right? So as we all know that our body has a lot of muscles and all. Are you agreeing with me? Yes. So let's say if I want to do like this, if I want to hold this chalk, I have to make this kind of mudra, right? So when I'm doing it this, that, whatever I am doing. So there is a relaxation of muscles, there is a contraction of muscles, right? Concentric, eccentric, concentric, eccentric, right? So whenever you perform this various functions, whenever you perform various movements, definitely there is a change in muscles. It means contraction, relaxation. So whatever the contraction, relaxation or things are possible just because of the muscular system, the muscles, the tendons, the ligaments, okay, the cartilage, like in ear, in nose we have cartilage, row. Next if we talk about the circulatory system, so circulatory system consists of blood vessels, heart. It provides fluid movement in the body. It means the movement of nutrition, the transportation of nutrients, etc. Next, if I'm going to talk about this respiratory system, so as I told you that the respiratory system consists of lungs. Okay, what is the function of this? We normally do breathing, and respiratory system basically means the inhalation of oxygen, exhalation of carbon dioxide, and production of energy. Right? So, like lungs, trachea, alveoli, these are the part of respiratory system, and basic function is to give energy, the energy production in the body of an organism. Right? Next, if we are going to talk about is nervous system. So as we all studied in class 9th and 10th, I hope you have studied in 10th class, grade 10, that the body, there was a chapter control and coordination, and it's basically a coordination between your spinal cord and brain, and there you get to know about a lot about the nervous system. So when we talk about the nervous system, so basically this nervous system, the passing of signals, and so many things will take in place, right? So if we talk about glandular system, it means it consists of endocrine and exocrine gland like liver, pancreas, thyroid, adrenal gland, pituitary gland. In our tongue, whenever you come to know that there is a delicious food made by your mama today, so there is a saliva in your mouth which is just because of salivary gland, intestinal gland. It helps various organs to work properly. It means the secretion helps a lot in the body of an organism. If you talk about reproductive system, so basically reproductive system consists of reproductive organ in male and female, and it's a biological process through which organisms produce their young. The last system which is remaining is the excretory system. Excretory system, and this excretory system is basically, if I'm going to talk about this, so kidney is there which remove the nitrogenous waste from the body. Got it, everyone? Now let's come on the next thing, and I just wanted my a cloth to rub it properly, and then we'll start. So what we're going to do exactly today, today's topic is basically based on the muscular system. So that's why before we're going to start that thing, I'll have to tell you that what exactly the things that you needed to know and how we can understand the things properly, which is the major concern. We should go with the basic knowledge to the extensive, right? So let's come on. We're going to start our new topic, that is the effect of exercise on a muscular system. What is our topic? Our topic is effects of exercise on muscular system, राइट। तो आज हम इस बारे में बात करेंगे, अगर हम मस्कुलर ऑर्गन की बात करते हैं कि मस्कुलर सिस्टम की एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, सो व्हाट विल हैपन। तो यहाँ पे मुझे सिर्फ दो ही तीन चीज़ याद रहती है कि जब हम जिम में वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं, व्हेन आई एम टेकिंग डंबल्स, राइट, सो स्ट्रेंथ समवेयर इज देयर, मसल्स पे लोड आ रहा है। या फिर हम बात करें कि डूइंग सिटअप्स, एब्डोमेन रीजन पे स्ट्रेंथ आ रहा है और सिक्स पैक एब्स बढ़ रहे हैं, that is also muscular, right? So whenever we do a various kind of exercise, for what? For the improvement in the muscular system, like making dole shole, it means making the biceps, triceps, six pack abs, or right, thighs, and so many things. So basically we will have to not think about the weight training methods, right? So weightlifting, powerlifting, etc. So here we need to know about one thing, that is the strength. strength, it is the ability of our muscles to overcome resistance. So the ability of our body to overcome resistance is called strength. So now, if we are right now talking about the muscular system, right? So basically, if we need to work on our muscular system, so we'll go for sit-ups. Okay, if you want to reduce the weight of your thigh region, right? So what will you do? You will definitely do what? The next thing, which is the very important thing, is walking lunges. Next, after this, the next thing that we need to understand, sit-ups, walking lunges, push-ups, right? And more thing if we are going to talk about is, weightlifting. Powerlifting. Etc. So basically, I hope you got the idea that whenever I am talking about the exercise for the muscular system, so what exactly we will do? यानी कि exactly आपको अभी clear हो गया होगा that what I am telling is about the effect of exercise on a muscular system. Basically, I mean that if we do exercise for the muscular system, it means हम strength पे भी बात कर रहे हैं, okay? और strength में कौन सी exercise होगी? that I'll also have told you कि sit-ups होगा, walking lunges होगा, और push-ups होंगे, weight lifting होगा, power lifting होगा. So बहुत सारी चीज़ें. There is a lot of things to needed to understand, right? Strength में अगर बात करें तो there are three things. First is maximum strength. Next is strength endurance. And maximum strength, strength endurance, and explosive strength. Explosive strength. So we can take one more example, that is the standing broad jump. Standing broad jump. That's it. So here we get to know कि basically जब हम इस topic पे बात कर रहे हैं, so we'll have to be about muscular system, all about the muscular system. I hope you all got this. So let us wrap it and let's got this sub points because again important topic and it is generally asked in 3 months only. So go through it properly. Okay. And basically, if you this topic is really help you to get an idea about how to enhance the strength of your body, right? So let's begin with this topic and understand the things properly. That what exactly happen if we work for the muscular system? Okay, what will exactly happen? We'll get to know. So first thing is gain strength. Okay. The very first point is gain strength. See, whenever we are talking about the muscular system, so सबसे पहली चीज है कि आपको क्या मिलेगा? Strength मिलेगा. Strength means power. Let us suppose if you are in a explosive kind of activity, like if you are playing kabaddi, if you are playing, if you are in the individual game of powerlifting, weightlifting, so your body must have strength. Okay. So whenever we do the exercise, whenever we perform this exercise for improving the muscular system of the body, what exactly happens is that our body will, gain a huge amount of strength. So whenever you do exercise for the muscular system, definitely your body will have a great amount of strength. So strength will be gained. There is not at all an issue in this case. Okay, there will be the tremendous amount of strength will develop in your body. Next thing, if you are going to talk about this gaining in strength, if we do a regular exercise, gaining muscular strength and power, thus gain of strength and result of strengthening sarcolemma. So basically what happens when you gain strength, so in your body, in your muscles, the layering, the covering of sarcolemma, okay, will increase. So what will increase basically? Sarcolemma covering of the muscles will be increases, right? If we talk about the next point, so that is the efficiency improvement, right? What I am going to tell you, efficiency improvement, right? So now how efficiency improvement? See, whenever a student or a player or a candidate or a participant is in the what I say is the power lift, weightlifting, let's say, or we can take a standing broad jump, individual event, this of the athletics. So what happened when you have a good amount of strength? Definitely there will be good endurance. Definitely all the physical components are apt in that. That is the speed, flexibility, coordinative ability, etc. Endurance too. So when we talk about this thing, so if your body, if an individual, if a participant is doing exercise for the muscular system, got it? If an individual is doing exercise for the muscular system, definitely the efficiency will improve. What will happen? The efficiency of the body will improve. How it will improve? Because see, when the physical fitness means if someone is physically fit, he should have good strength, he should have good speed, endurance, flexibility, coordinative ability. And if you possess this, that like one of the component, if you possess, if you are working for strength, definitely the efficiency of working will be improved. Definitely, when you do exercise for this, so definitely there will be the improvement in your body. That is the efficiency. When you do a regular exercise, there is an increase in the number of capillaries. So the muscle capillaries will increase. So there will be the faster circulation of blood. The nerves will increase, better coordination, and thus the efficiency, the improvement in the muscle coordination, improvement in the body system, definitely everything will be enhanced in that case. Right? Now if we talk about lactate threshold, right? So lactate threshold will increase. It means when you do a regular exercise, the ability of your muscles to tolerate lactic acid for a longer duration. Lactate threshold increase, thus muscles delay tiredness, fatigue, and improve the anaerobic endurance. Okay, so what is the third point? The third point is lactate threshold. So third point is lactate threshold increase. When the lactate threshold increases, you must have seen that when we do a longer duration activity. Which duration activity? Whenever we do a longer duration activity, it means an activity which is performed for the longer duration. On that time, what will happen exactly? The main problem, the main issue comes there is there is a deposition of lactic acid in the muscle or sometimes in the blood stream. Okay, so whenever the lactic acid is started to deposit in the muscles, we feel tired, we feel lethargic, and there may be cramps in the muscles. Okay, so to tolerate if your lactate threshold increase, right? If your lactate threshold increase, then there will not be a problem, because see, when the lactate threshold increase, the body get kind of efficiency that he or she can go for a good amount of exercise on the regular basis. I mean that when an individual is going off with this exercise, what will happen exactly according to me is that they got a proper amount of strength, they got a proper amount of a kind of good sensation. Basically, I mean it is right. Now let's come on the next thing, and the next, that is the fourth point, which is again the very important, is increase in aerobic as well as an anaerobic endurance. Now guys, I hope you all are aware about endurance. So basically when we talk about endurance, so ability of our muscles to do work for a longer duration, it means to overcome fatigue, right? So what will happen? Increase in the aerobic and anaerobic endurance. What? Endurance enhancement. It is mean that, as you all know, that what is endurance? The ability of muscles to overcome fatigue. It is of two types: aerobic endurance and anaerobic endurance. So whenever we do activity for the muscular system, the aerobic endurance as well as the anaerobic endurance will enhance. What will happen? Aerobic as well as anaerobic endurance will enhance. Aerobic, it means presence of oxygen. Anaerobic, it means absence of oxygen. It means finally, or in short, if I say that whenever an individual performing these activities, that is the aerobic or anaerobic activities, I think there will not at all be an issue regarding the long distance running and all this kind of things. So basically, why we do, see, if you talk about youth, so good shape of body. Nowadays, youth is fitness fit. Then whenever we do exercise for the muscular system, what we exactly want? We want a good shape of body. Would you like to be pizza? Would you like to be a burger, motu, थुलथुले पेट वाला बंदा? No ना, क्योंकि हम सभी चाहते हैं कि हमारी बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर बहुत अच्छा है और हम सभी स्मार्ट दिखें, राइट? सो बेसिकली हमारी बॉडी का जो आर्टिकुलेशन है, जो हमारी बॉडी की मसल्स हैं, वो स्ट्रॉन्ग रहे, हमारी बॉडी का एक परफेक्ट शेप रहे, जिससे हमें स्मार्ट लगे, जिससे हमारी बॉडी को अट्रैक्टिव लगे, हमारी पर्सनालिटी इनहांस हो. That is why sometimes people do muscular activity. So there are a lot of benefits of performing muscular activities, and there is a great effect of doing work for it. So it also gives you the faster recovery from the injury. Okay. Next point, if we talk about this faster recovery from injury. When I talk about the faster recovery from the injury, let's suppose while playing a game, you getting injured, if you getting harmed, so might be you feeling pain and lot of problems while doing that thing. So what will happen? See, when you are continuously doing exercise over your muscular system, so the muscular system is strong, and definitely the recovery from the injury will be faster. So as much you go for the exercise for the muscular system, the effect will be that the faster recovery of the from the injury and all that stuff, right? So trained muscles can recover the injury very faster. Moreover, there is less chance of injury. So there is a great, store of energy improve, right? So there will be ATP storage enhancement, increase in ADP and ATP, adenosine diphosphate and adenosine triphosphate, right? So see, as you all know, there is a powerhouse of cell called mitochondria, right? So mitochondria do what? Mitochondria is basically a cell organelle which is present in a cell. It is also called powerhouse of cell, which carry or consume energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. When it is consuming energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, what will happen? There will not at all be an issue. Everything will be so fine, because just because the body has already ATP, it means. So what is the effect of muscular system? Whenever you do exercise in the muscular system, the storage of ATP will enhance. As and when the storage of ATP will enhance, definitely there will be a lot of benefits of it, and your body will gain a sufficient strength, and there is a faster recovery also. And if there is a faster recovery, so there will be great energy. See, whenever your body has a good amount of energy, getting my point? So whenever there is a good amount of energy in your body, so the function, the physiological functioning of your body will improve. If we talk about the next upcoming points, so desired strength development, faster responses, right? So if we talk about the 8th point is desired strength. Desired strength develop. Next thing is, if we talk about 9 is first let's talk about desired strength. See, when you are doing exercise for powerlifting, weightlifting, whether you are in an individual game, if you are in an individual game like you are in short put, you are in javelin throw, तो किसी भी गेम में जब whenever you are, तो आप जिस टाइप के desired strength अपनी बॉडी में चाहते हैं, whatever kind of strength, whatever amount of strength you want in your body, you can develop. So the effect of the muscular system is basically to develop the amount of strength that you require in your body. So a systematic or scientific training, if you go through, definitely there will be whatever issue in your body, and definitely you will get to know each and everything, and you will be able to overcome any kind of problem. Next, if we talk about this faster response, and if we talk about faster response, so see, when your muscular system is good, your muscles are active, so you will get the response faster. Moreover, the muscle remain wound up and continue to influence the reflex action. Okay, so faster responses. After faster responses, there is a use of diet. It's a better use of diet. It's a better use of time. Better use of time. So when I'm talking about, let's talk about the faster responses. When an individual is doing exercise for a longer duration or for a shorter duration, whatever, so the reflex action will improve. What is reflex action? You just whenever you sit, you just pinch someone who is with you. So he'll be he'll feeling a little bit pain because it's harm, it's minor injury, and he or she may shout. Why? Because they're doing the faster responses. Okay. Nowadays, even students are playing PUBG, and if you beat even them, they'll not respond because they are so much busy in PUBG. So what I want you students that whenever we do exercise for the muscular system, so our reflex action will improve. Reflex action simply means that there will be the faster responses of our body. So whenever you play hockey or whenever you play kabaddi, whenever your response is fast, you will feel very happy, and definitely when you perform exercise, when you do things faster, there will not at all be an issue. Let's talk about the use of diet. Now what is the use of diet? So when you are working on a muscle system, it's basically you are doing work on the strength. When you are doing work for strength, so here what you need to know that how much diet you should take so that your body should have a great amount of strength. Better use of time, definitely when you do a strength kind of activities or the activity which is related to the strength, so it is great because the functioning of your body will improve. Your cardiovascular system, your muscular system, and so many things. So definitely these things will affect and your body needs a good kind of things. Right? So next thing if we talk about is improve the neuromuscular coordination. Okay? So if we go to the 12 points, so improve neuromuscular coordination. Now when I am talking about neuromuscular coordination, what happened? Neuromuscular coordination basically means for the improvement in the neuromuscular system. Response to the stimuli. Response to the stimuli means, see, when I am playing hockey, so you will have to be alert that first time what to do. If you are playing football, very fast or skill-based game, so you will have to be alert. You will have to be, very responsive. Very, your body should have a good amount of neuromuscular When I am telling you that increase in muscle mass, this means there is a protein present in muscles, myoglobin. So the myoglobin content, which is consists of the protein, will enhance, right? So increase in muscle mass is one of the topic. And if you go for the regular exercise, increase in the muscle mass, it means increase in the content, that is the myoglobin content of muscles in muscles. Thus, controlling weight of a person can be understood properly. Basically, what I want to say here is that these are the effects on the body that need an individual for the good muscular system. Very first point that we had is good gain strength. It means the sarcolemma, which is the covering of muscle, will enhance. Efficiency will be improved. Lactate threshold will be improved. Endurance enhancement. It means aerobic as well as aerobic endurance will enhance. Your body will get the good shape. There will be the faster recovery from injury. Both ATP content and ADP will enhance. Next is desired strength will develop. There will be faster responses. There will be good neuromuscular system. There will be the better use of time if you go for the training for the muscular system. It means these are the effects of muscular system, right? So there will be definitely increase in the muscle. So this is all about this topic. This was part 6 about the effect of exercise on a muscular system. I hope you understand this topic properly. Please take care. Bye. Lots of love and blessings to all my students.